Walkathon was held to share the warm love with families in Mindoro which were affected by the oil spill. 1,300 people gathered at Asiena City, Parañaque, the venue of the event, to cheer Mindoro. The funds raised through the event will be delivered to 200 families in Mindoro which were affected by the oil spill.
Kaya naman ang walkathon na ito ay isinagawa para matulungan ng mga nabiktima o mga climate refugees. So in that sense, sa tingin mo po, anong masasabi mo sa paglako sa event na ito?
Thank you so much. Natutuwa ako na sa pamamagitan ng event na ito ay marami tayong matutulungang pamilya na apektado ng oil spill sa Mindoro. And through this event also, na ipapakita din natin kung paano tayo nagkakaisa sa nangyayaring global warming nga dito sa mundo. And through this walkathon, sana nga po ay mapakita po natin kung ano dapat natin gawin. And through this event, yung mga makakalap po natin donation ay maraming pamilyang matutulungan. And
it is impressive to see how the international We Love You Foundation, led by Chairwoman Gil-jah, a worldwide organization that spreads mother's love, have shown care and concern for the global community through volunteer activities and emergency relief efforts. I would like to congratulate all of you, most especially Chairwoman Gil-jah, for carrying out this noble cause of helping our fellow Filipinos in need. Maraming salamat po.
First, I would like to thank Miss Gil-jah for having this activity done, especially here in the Philippines and particularly in our province, who will benefit for this activity. Our fisher folks who lives in these communities rely on fishing, and when the oil spill happen, they cannot go fishing, and their livelihood were greatly affected. So this activity will greatly help those people, our fisher folks, our coastal communities, to recover early from this tragedy.
We're very happy as a family today because we were able to join the activity of the We Love You Foundation. Thank you to our chairwoman, Gil-jah, for organizing this event to create funds for the victims of the oil spill.